Step 1. Insert 209 period exponential moving averages into the chart. Step 2. Ensure that price is trading above 200 EMA. Step 3. Find a short-term downtrend, meaning the price should be trading above 200 EMA but below 9 EMA. Step 4. Now wait for the price to break and closes above 9 EMA. Take an entry here. Put the stop loss here. Step 5. Ride the trend until you get any candle that closes below the 9 EMA. Step 6. If you find a candle that closes below the 9 EMA, put your exit order below the low of that candle. Book the profit here. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.